G'day, here's a small deal of some rubs, offcuts, seam material from Lightning Ridge. Some of it's quite extra bright. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Just move the little parcel around so you can see what you're getting for your money. Some few various pieces. I'm picking up and looking at this for the first time as I'm talking to you. Little pieces like this, you could make a doublet out of perhaps. It's obviously got clay in it. Dark crystal sort of material. Whether that will rub, don't know. It's on black base, so oh, there's a nice one. It's a surprise. That's in this parcel. Or if you buy it, it should be in the bag. Yeah, I'll just get some of this and give it a bit of a tumble on my hands. See what you're getting for your money. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers.